let's see here. I am looking for the saw. Yeah. I think they're here. Yeah. Let's see here. Let's go in here like this. There it is. All right, let's do it. Yeah, this one can go. And this dangler can go. All right. This one, I know these are supposed to be toxic, this white sap that comes out of here. But I've been cutting this stuff for years, and I guess it doesn't affect me. Looks a little better. Let's try that too. Yeah. Let's see if I can do something with this. I guess I'm gonna leave that big one up there for now. If I shut the garage, turn off this light. All right. I should wash my hands. This stuff stains me. Yeah, well, we'll see. Maybe overdose of this stuff, and it'll start to affect me. But yeah, see these plants? They've all just sort of collapsed here. Okay, well, there you go. The carnage. All right. All right, people. Reveal my new phone setup. I'm gonna need a little more firepower. This fingernail brush, scrub brush. There we go. That helps. Yeah, that stuff that sap is weird. People say that it's toxic and gets in your eyes. I only heard that after I had already had it all over myself before. And I was like, oh, interesting. It's maybe it's like cilantro. Some people like the cilantro. They can't eat it, or it tastes like soap. And some people, it just doesn't. It tastes delicious. Was it coriander in English? Cilantro, I think, is coriander in English. Yeah, this little camera thing is cool. Hands-free. I like it. So you can see a lot of procedural stuff. You notice my decorated bathroom here. When I first moved into this house 20-something years ago, I decorated with all this sort of pictures from my life, and I thought it was cool. And they're falling apart at this point. I got to redo either a refurbish or change the decor. Cat box. We had two because, we used to have two cats. Sadly, we only have one. She's 16 and a half. In June, if she can make it, she'll be 17. She's, she's an old gal. I have to check on her sometimes. Say, hey, do you have the cat in there? Yeah? Good. No, that's okay. I just wanted to check her whereabouts. We got to be extra vigilant of her these days. We got to watch her. Okay.